here is only like 30 miles from 97, give or take.
Tim Moore here with TLC Pressure Washing, and we're here on top of this beautiful home, or actually at the gutter line. We're doing a gutter clean out, and homeowner called us out to do gutter clean out the house and the concrete. We're a little farther out than we normally go, but it's a good customer, so we'll come out. And she was saying that, you know, on the front porch right here, the water would just overflow right here really bad. And this is the reason why. It is absolutely 100% impacted with leaves. So this does a couple things. It causes the water to rise up here and tends to want it to go behind the gutter onto and behind the fascia. If it's too impacted, it can go underneath here and go down, you know, below here some. But pretty much it just runs over and causes a mess, and it doesn't let the water flow away from the house. Because once these things are done and we've got the gutters flushed out, the water will come off the roof, it'll flow down, it'll flow down, and it'll flow away from the house, not toward the base of the house, not below the house or anything like that. So that's one of the reasons why people call us out. And in a few seconds, I'm going to show you what the after of when it's nice and clean and there's no leaves. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing. So there you go. As you can see, the gutter's now clean. All the shingle dust from the freshly put on roof is now off. All the leaves are gone. This water flows all the way down. We flushed the downspout, so we know it's going to flow. So next time it rains, no raining over. Everything's going to rain down that way. Tim Moore, TLC Pressure Washing. Have a fantastic Christmas.